welcome back to my channel. Shara here with another video. So I'll be unboxing a necklace from Tiffany and Company today. This is the round tag pendant from Tiffany and Company, and they have partnered with Beyoncé to design a capsule collection. So I'm really excited today, you guys. I did attend the Beyoncé Renaissance concert in Detroit, my hometown. This is actually the top that I wore, y'all. I'll show you guys a picture of the outfit that I wore. Now, I did do a concert vlog where I traveled to Detroit and I vlogged it and everything. So make sure you check that out. We had a blast. I had a great time. It was a really good concert, y'all, really good. So me ordering this pendant almost feels like a mementos from the concert. So that's why I really like this. And this is my first Tiffany item ever. So I'm really excited about this. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. It came in this box. Neo, he thinks he's gonna help me out today, which he's not. But he did travel to Detroit with us and he was able to stay with us at the Airbnb, which was really nice. And I was happy I was able to take him. But Neo, you need to back up, okay? Because mommy's gonna open this and this is not for you. Okay, so here it is. This is what it came in. This is like the Tiffany paper, which is cute. And it also has like the Tiffany and Company sticker on the front there. Cute little box. So they gave me the bag even though it's not in there, but that's really cute. Tiffany and Company on the front. A little card. Okay, maybe if it was a gift, I could give it as a gift. The box is so cute. I'm really excited to open it. So excited. Oh, cute little bag. There's a bag inside, so cute. So I'm gonna take this little part off. That was just like a little protective cover. And then this is the pendant right here. So it has the horse on the front. And you know Beyonce's Renaissance tour, that's like the main symbol, the horse or whatever, you know. It says New York 925, so you know it's silver, okay? And then on the other side, it has Welcome to the Renaissance, Beyoncé 925, okay? And I believe it says Tiffany and Company really low down there with another 925. Okay, so yes, so pretty. Here it is with the chain. This is the chain that I got. They had 3 different chains. I'll show you guys a picture of the chains. Now this is the cheaper chain. Maybe eventually I could upgrade to maybe the second one or the next one after that. But this is really cute. This says 925 on there as well. So you know this is real silver as well. So I have to put it on and I don't know how long it's gonna hang. I don't know if I want to wear it with this. I've had this necklace for years, so I always wear this necklace. It's like a yellow diamond in the middle of there. And I really like this. So I really don't want to have to take this one off to wear this one. So I'm hoping that they'll work together good. But this pendant is really sturdy. It really has some weight to it, which I like. And it definitely gives like that statement piece vibe, okay? So I can't wait to wear it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. These nails are gonna give me a hard time, but I'm gonna try. Uh-oh, y'all, they're competing. So I have them both on. They are competing with each other. So this is how they look on. I don't know if I should take the diamond one off or not, but this is about where it hangs at. So it's not bad. But yeah, really cute piece. I like it a lot. And I'll let you guys know if I do end up changing the chain. But as of right now, I like it. Now in their paperwork, they do mention alterations and returns. So if you guys are not satisfied completely with your product, you are able to return, which is nice to know. All you want to do is properly protect the merchandise and include this pack slip before you seal your package and send it off to Tiffany and Company. And they're located in New York. Okay. So that's a little bit about the return policy, and they do alterations, it looks like as well. So you guys, I am satisfied with mine though. I think it's cute. I like it a lot. It's some mementos from the Beyoncé Renaissance tour, and it's my first Tiffany item as well, you guys. So I'm really happy about this. I might be interested in a bracelet in the future, so I'll let you guys know about that as well. All right, you guys, so it is the next day. And I was just going through some boxes, you guys, that I had got from like Amazon and things like that. And I realized that I had a box from Tiffany that was a part of unboxing that I was supposed to be doing yesterday. And this is the perfume from Tiffany. And I just I had ordered this a couple weeks ago, and I forgot that I had ordered the perfume as well. So I'm thinking I'm done filming the video with the pendant, tag pendant here. And then I realized that I did not unbox the perfume as well, and I thought you guys would be interested in knowing how the perfume looked, the bottle, and maybe the smell. It's been a couple weeks, so I have forgot that I had ordered this, you guys, and I had been waiting for it, but I had just, my mind was on the necklace so much that I forgot about the perfume. So if you guys are interested, I wanted to unbox this as well. Okay, so this is called the Rose Gold Perfume, and this is in the 1.6 fluid ounces. Size, 50 milliliters, and I'm really excited to see how it smells, you guys. The box is really pretty, very pretty rose gold with the famous Tiffany blue at the bottom. And a little bit about the perfume is it embodies the spirit of optimism, created by master perfumer Jerome Epinet. And the top note is black currant, the middle note is blue rose, and the base note is amber seed. Okay. All right, so let me get it open. There's a little note on there as well. When you open the box up, a little note. Ooh, here's the bottle. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at the inside, you guys. The note is on the, a little note on the inside through the bottle. Isn't that pretty? It's the beautiful blue on top. I love that. And then the little top right here, which you just probably pull off. Ooh. Goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna spray a little bit and see what I get. I didn't put on any perfume today. Oh my, so different. You guys, I'm not really good with notes and everything, but it's really, oh my goodness, you guys, it's flowery, kind of powdery, powdery is what I'm getting initially. So maybe that'll die down a little bit and then it'll go into something else. So I have to see, but right now off top, I'm getting a flower and a powdery scent that's really strong, but it really smells good. I'm hoping I start to get some changes and see what else it goes into, but really nice bottle. I'm definitely gonna sit that on my dresser. Bottle is really pretty. This is a nice size too. I wouldn't need much more of a bigger size. I'm not sure if it has different sizes, but this is the 1.6 fluid ounces, 50 milliliters. So this is a good size, you know? So I've never smelt this before. This is my first time. I was ordering the necklace, the pendant, and I just happened to come across this and I said, well, let me try out their perfume as well. So definitely, I want to say strong, kind of giving me a powerful lady. I don't know, that's the kind of thoughts I have that comes to mind when I smell it. Powerful lady, strong, sophisticated maybe. So yes, I just wanted to show you guys the perfume and definitely put that a part of the unboxing of the pendant. So that's pretty much the end of my video, you guys. I'm so sorry I forgot about this. I didn't include it yesterday, but made sure I got it to you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. It's free, okay, and it helps me out. Like the video if you like the video, of course. Follow me on Instagram. I'm at SharaChanel_, and I will definitely see you guys in the next unboxing. Okay, bye.